Welcome to 24 Hours Thriving Habits. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. From natural disasters to unexpected emergencies, being well prepared can be a game changer. Today, we're going to explore 6 essential items that you should have in your emergency kit for those unforeseen events. These tools aren't just practical. They provide peace of mind in facing life's unpredictability. Let's dive in and discover how each of these essentials can be a lifesaver in various emergency scenarios. First up, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Imagine you're stranded without clean water after a flood or earthquake. This handy tool becomes a lifeline, filtering out harmful bacteria and parasites, ensuring access to safe drinking water, a critical need for survival. Next, the VRIEXSD 400-piece first aid kit. Injuries can happen when you least expect, especially during emergencies like fires or when hiking. This comprehensive kit enables you to respond effectively to cuts, burns, or other injuries, providing essential care when medical help may not be immediately available. Food is our next essential. The 6-day emergency food supply kit offers vital sustenance during situations like power outages or severe weather events. With 11,800 calories in total, it ensures you have enough nutrition to last through a period of crisis. Power outages are common in emergencies. The Dokyo 110W portable solar panel is your solution for maintaining power supply. Whether you need to charge a phone for communication or power a small light, this solar panel is invaluable during blackouts or off-grid scenarios. The Garmin GPS Map 66i is more than just a GPS. It's an essential tool for survival in remote locations. This device offers two-way messaging via the 100% global Iridium satellite network, keeping you connected even when you're far from cell service. Note that a satellite subscription is required for this feature. Whether you need to send an SOS message, communicate with your team, or receive crucial updates, this device ensures you're never out of reach, no matter where your adventures take you. Lighting is often overlooked until it's needed. The Vicosha saltwater lamp is an eco-friendly lighting solution. Perfect for camping or during power outages, it offers up to 140 hours of light without batteries, ensuring visibility and safety in dark conditions. Besides these essentials, remember to include personal items like medications, important documents, and a cell phone charger in your emergency kit. Being prepared means anticipating the unexpected and equipping yourself to face any challenge. Here at 24 Hours Thriving Habits, we encourage proactive preparedness for life's uncertainties. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful tips on healthy living and emergency preparedness. Stay safe, and until next time, keep thriving in every situation. Before we conclude, we'd like to share a friendly reminder. The insights and product suggestions in this video are for educational purposes, based on our comprehensive research. We are a participant in the Amazon Associates program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means for sites to earn advertising fees by advertising and linking to Amazon.com. While we may earn a commission for purchases made through these links, our recommendations are genuine, and we encourage you to make choices that best suit your needs. Remember, being well informed is key to effective emergency preparedness.